Hey guys, welcome to another video of Fusion Studios. In this video, I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S25. I will also compare it with the last year's Samsung S24 at the end of the video. The Samsung S25 comes with a 12GB RAM, 128, 256 and 512 internal memory, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Android 15 that is One UI 7 update, IP68 dust and water resistance, 162 gram weight, ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor, 4000 mAh battery, 25 watt wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging. S25 have blue blade, coral red and pink gold special edition colors and also navy, mint, silver shadow, and the one you can see here is icy blue. One of the noticeable change is that the lenses are bigger with black rings around. S25 comes with 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate, 2600 nits peak brightness and 416 ppi. They have also improved the anti-reflective screen. Here we can find the 12MP wide front camera. The new S25 comes with Gorilla Glass Victus2 front and back and aluminum frame. At the bottom we can find the SIM ejector tray, microphone hole, USB-C type charging port and the speaker. On the right side we can see the volume rocker and the power button. On the top we have two microphone holes and on the left side it's plain as usual. Now moving on to the rear camera, we have 12MP 120° ultra wide camera at the top, 50MP wide camera at the middle and 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom at the bottom. Now moving on to the camera app, we can find that the UI is completely changed after the One UI 7 update. Now most of the controls are at the bottom just like iPhones for better access. This helps most of the users who are using camera with only one hand. If you want to know more about the camera app changes, I have explained everything in the Samsung S25 Ultra unboxing video. And also all the One UI new features and changes are explained in a separate video. Most of the features are available just like before. And when we open the Pro video mode, we can find that it have 4K at 60fps, 8K at 30fps and Full HD at 120fps video recording. Now without any further delay, I am going to compare both the S24 and the S25. On the left we have the Samsung S24 and on the right we have the new Samsung S25. Comparing both the boxes, only the cover image and the color is different. But all the accessories that we get inside the box is still the same. Compared to S24, S25 comes with totally different colors. Comparing the cameras, the S24 have a silver ring around the lenses, but S25 comes with much larger lens with black rings around it. For both the S24 and the S25, the button placement and size is similar. You can easily spot that when I place it side by side. But compared to S24, the S25 comes with enhanced aluminum armor. Also, the S25 is slightly smaller and lighter by 5 gram. Here the S24 comes with 8GB RAM, Exynos 2400 processor and Android 14, whereas the S25 comes with 12GB RAM, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and Android 15 version. Also, the S25 have some superior features compared to S24, and they are: it supports fast wireless charging with Q2, have new improved Galaxy AI features, it offers satellite connectivity for emergency messages and improved GPS accuracy. Now moving on to the camera, there is one major change, which is S24 comes with 12MP wide camera while S25 comes with 50MP wide camera. These are some of the major changes that we can spot easily. I have also uploaded S24 Ultra versus S25 Ultra comparison video. If you want to book any of these phones, I have given Venus Digital Arcade's contact number in the video description. So thank you for watching the video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section below. And if you are not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get all the latest updates.